just going to get warmer through the nights to come. Not by much, but by enough to keep us above freezing in some cases. 58 for tomorrow. We're going to see more clouds roll in, but I